country, my friends. Just like your family, just like your barangay, if you cannot account every centavo that you have, if I cannot account my income, my expenditure to my wife, I am a no good husband. If this country, with our leaders, with our legislators, supposedly the guardians of our funds, and they cannot even tell us these things, they are nothing, so therefore we deserve nothing, so therefore we should continue with nothing. Wala. Di ba? Now, tignan natin. I will not question the first item because kamo salaries, permanent positions. I will not also question the second item. But I would like to question other benefits, 25 billion. What is this? Other benefits na naman, civilian, yung una, military. Civilian, 42 billion. Bonuses, incentives, 15 billion, so forth. So, yan actually highlighted na. Di ba? Highlighted na, no? You just have to have a little of your time and reflect on it. Ano ba itong mga expenditure by object na nagastos na pala to sa gobyerno? Ganito pala sila kung gumastos. Let's proceed now to the MOOE. This is another thing. Alam mo, during the 2002, we were very active in Congress. We had been very successful questioning other services. Nawala. Nanganak naman. Huh? Other services, from 2002, we fought it. 5 hanggang ngayon, wala na. Nanganak naman. Professional services. Now we have 15 billion. What is this membership na nag-umpisa lang na 38 million na ngayon 1.8 billion? You know, when President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo won, she said, balanced budget, good governance, and she even said, austerity. Austerity. Meron bang austerity na traveling expenses 3.5 billion nagiging 6 billion? Meron bang austerity na communication umabot pa rin? Wala kang nakitang expenses na bumaba. I don't mind if they want 1.4 trillion. Pero huwag naman ganitong klase. Grants? What is this grants? Subsidies? 258 billion? Ngayon, meron na tayong basihan. Let's learn. Let's learn all about this thing so that we would be able to point the right thing that we have to complain. You do not complain for nothing. Kurap ka. Wala ka. Expenditure, program by object. Madam President, you have this much. How come? Nasaan ito? Ang maganda nito, hindi lang ito kabuuan. Let's go to the capital outlay. As far as the grand summary of the new general appropriations is concerned for the year 2002-2009, yan po ang kabuuan. And lastly nga pala, meron tayong 2009 budget. So you would know already ano at babantayan nyo na lang kung ano ang lalabas next year. Normally, lalabas po ang budget na January or February. Nagbago ba ang kanilang mga budget? Earlier, ang sinasabi ko, total new appropriations lang, di ba? Ang pagbasa pala ng budget ganire. New appropriation plus ERA, ang budget pala ng ating bansa noong 2009, 1.1 trillion. Assuming na ang new appropriation plus ERA plus interest, babayaran at gagastos yan 1.4 trillion naman. Di ba? Kapag ka new appropriations, ERA, interest, itong principal, ito yung utang, no? Ang gobyernong ito, pag nag-budget, hanggang dito lang. Kaya, no wonder, ang ating utang palaki ng palaki ng palaki ng palaki dahil ito pong portion sa principal hindi na kayang bayaran. Di ba? Ano rin ba ang sabi ko? This year's budget is 1.2 trillion. Yan ang breakdown, kunyari. Ganung approach. Next year, it's 1.4 trillion. So, 1.4 trillion, meaning Regular budget, special. Ito, total nito, 590. Ito naman, 277. So, umabot siya ng 867. Ang tawag dyan, total new appropriations. Kapag kaisama mo ang IRA, tataas siya. Pagsasama mo ang interest payment, tataas lalo ng pataas kapag kaisama mo ang principal. Yan ang magiging figures yan. No? Kung ang new appro plus IRA 1.1 trillion, ang new appro plus IRA plus interest 1.4, ito lang talaga ang budget sa Pilipinas. Dahil wala naman nilang intensyon na babayaran yung principal eh. Kaya pataas ang pataas, pataas ang pataas.
Marami tayong natutunan ngayon. Mga bagong terminolohiya na dapat nating tandaan upang tayo ay makapagtanong ng tama sa ating mga leaders. Para sa karagdagan pang impormasyon, mapapanood nyo rin po ng buo sa TV Maria, sa Dream Satellite, Channel 12, at saka Destiny Cable, Channel 93. Sa susunod na episode, huwag bibitiw at marami pa tayong matutunan sa kahalagahan ng usapin ng budget. Hanggang sa muli, maraming salamat po. Ito po si Sister Des Caredo ng Children of Light. Maging liwanag ka.